back to my channel. This series is called Precious Reviews, whereby I bring brands to you that I think are unique, nice, affordable, made by Nigerians, maybe international, but in my opinion they're really nice products which you should try if you're a makeup lover, a makeup artist, or a makeup enthusiast. So today's review is based on a makeup brand that is from Italy. However, they do have a subsidiary company here in Nigeria that is authorized to carry out the business and sell their products here in Nigeria. I'm talking no other than Focallure. Focallure. I used to call it Focaccia. Anyways, they have been making a lot of waves on the internet, and especially Ghanaian sisters. They always make a fuss about this product, and I'm like, I should give it a try and see what the fuss is about, right? So, Focallure Nigeria, which is being marketed by Mode Cosmetics Nigeria, they are the ones in charge of marketing this brand in Nigeria. So basically that is the Focallure Nigeria, but it's called Mode Cosmetics. And so they sent me this product of a wide range of their things, and we'll be doing a review about them today, so don't go anywhere. So guys, I'm going to be showing you what I got from this Focallure Cosmetics. One is the Sweetest Honey eyeshadow palette, guys. It is literally a dupe for Huda Beauty Remastered Gold Rose Gold palette. Like, you need to see it. Also, there's the matte lip crayon, which I shall be reviewing as well, and a couple of their lip matte stains. So first off, I'm going in with my Benign Clown White as my primer to use on the eyeshadow. To be honest, I really didn't need it because this eyeshadow is really pigmented. As you can see, I'm going to dab it on the Clown White, and it is super pigmented. Like, I was just like, this is too much for me. I can't handle this. And as time goes on, you realize that it becomes too orangey, and I really needed something to tone it down and cool it down because it looked too ashy. So that's why I used that particular color to just turn it down and make it look softer, because we are not going to a drag show, guys. So after that, I'm just blending everything in, and I'm using a dark, that black color, Precious, are you colorblind? Brown color, and I'm putting that all over my crease, and I'm going to blend it in to give it a smoky effect, you know, something different for the road. And I'm blending that into the colors I had used before, and you can see how it's just so easy to blend these colors together. Like, I don't have to go and be using brush to come and start dragging the colors. So I'm just cutting my crease with the same Clown White from Benign, and I'm just trying to get a precise arc over my eyes, and I'm blending the colors I had used before to make it look quite nice. I'm using this Misty Rose from the same eyeshadow palette. I realized that using a brush was just so much drama. I wanted to use my hand, see how soft it was. So I'm just using the brush just because I want to be professional. Normally I would use my hand because the pressed eyeshadow shimmer is so soft. So basically it is so pigmented and soft. I didn't know why I needed to use the brush. But yeah, there are people that are watching this that need to learn how to use makeup professionally. So yeah. So I'm going to use do the second eyes, but I'm not using any primer. I'm just going straight on. I didn't use anything. There's just powder on my eyes. See how pigmented it is, guys. Can you see what I'm talking about? There was no need for me to use the Clown White. So I'm just blending, doing the same thing I basically did at the other side of my eyes, but just without primer. You get? I'm using the dark as well, but now I'm using the Misty Rose first before I use the other shade I used. And you saw I didn't even use any primer. It is still pigmented. Like, I won't, next time I'm using this eyeshadow palette, I won't even stress myself. I'm such a rough person because I was trying to rush, and so later I went behind the camera and I cleaned up and stuff. So yeah, I blended out the hash lines and I corrected my mistakes just because I was rushing, but then at the end it turned out just fine. But do not try this at home when you're rushing out. Don't rush to do your makeup because you look like how it was before I corrected it, you get? So guys, just look at the similarities between the Focallure and Huda Beauty. So guys, we've almost come to the end of this tutorial. I really love the eyeshadow from what you've seen and the voiceover you've heard. I really like the texture. This is the eyeshadow with primer, and this is without primer. Either ways, this eyeshadow is popping for life. You get what I'm saying? So now let's try the lip gloss. and we'll round up, and I'll see you at another episode of Precious Reviews. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and share, and leave a comment if you think you have an opinion that should be aired. Really loving my eyeshadow. These eyeshadows are the bomb. To me, I feel it's like a Huda Beauty dupe, like I said before. If you don't have enough money to get Huda Beauty remastered rose gold palette, then you can just get the Sweet as Honey Focallure Cosmetics eyeshadow. It is really affordable. You can get it from any Focallure store. The one that is authorized in Nigeria is the Mode Cosmetics. So guys, let's start swatching the lipsticks. Hey guys, I know you're tired of my voice, but I just wanted to let you know that sometimes I use lip balm before I use any lipstick. But for using this matte lip crayon, you do not need moisturizer because the crayon itself has moisturizer. So when you put moisturizer on your lips, it makes it really hard for you to get the real color like this that you are supposed to get. So yeah, enjoy.
I want your love, just lead me on, won't give it up, hey, 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 'cause I'm a sucker for you. Boom, shang-a-lang-a-la, boom, shang-a-lang-a-la. She invites me to the condo, white fees in Chicago, my sight piece, but she's also someone's wife.